Hi YouTubers, it's me, Beauty Diva New York 1, and I was just coming to you today because I had the opportunity to do so. It was actually a blizzard today in New York, and I had got up, I got dressed, and I thought I was going to work. But after I went outside and the snow was up to my knees and I realized that nothing was moving, I turned around and came back in the house. So then I decided, let me do a couple of videos for my YouTubers. I haven't done any in a while. The ones that I have up, but that's what I'll be doing today. So just stay tuned. You may see this outfit in a couple of videos, and that's okay. And we're going to talk about skincare, a little bit of makeup, and so forth. Stay posted.